guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the best carne asada. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to use 3 pounds of your choice of steak. I'm using ranchera, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, the juice of 4 limes, the juice of 2 oranges, half a cup of chopped cilantro, half of a white onion, 1 jalapeño, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of New Mexico chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of dry oregano. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our marinade. We're going to mix our olive oil, squeeze the juice from our oranges, the juice of our limes, we're going to add our minced garlic along with our cilantro, sliced onion and jalapeño, and of course all of our spices. So just mix it. And here you can taste it and see if you want to adjust it, but for me it's perfect. So now we can pour it over our meat. Because I'm going to grab my meat and transfer it to an oven safe bag. And of course you can always just keep it in a bowl. And I'm using ranchera, also known as flap steak. Just make sure that it is nice and thin. Okay, now we're going to pour our marinade. Make sure you grab everything and just mix it with the meat. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to cover it. Make sure that you remove all of the air. And we're going to place it in our refrigerator and allow it to marinate for at least 4 hours. All right, so I marinated my meat last night, so now it's ready so we can begin to cook. Okay, and I'm just going to get it out of the bag. And it smells delicious. So now let's go outside and get this going. Okay, so I already have my grill ready. I'm going to grab our piece of meat. I'm going to be grilling open fire for 3 minutes per side. Okay, and after 3 minutes, flip it over and allow that side to grill for another 3 minutes. And I'm going to begin to cook my chiles and cebollitas. Okay, and after 3 minutes, our carnita asada is done, so we can remove it from the grill. And we just repeat the process. Alrighty guys, and once we have our carne asada, now we can get ready for the fun part. Now of course, you know the best part about carne asada is that you can make them in tacos, burritos, tortas, whatever you want to make them. Today we're going to be enjoying them in a plate with a cold salad, rice, and beans. I'm just going to grab my nopal. I'm going to grab my carne asada. Of course, our cebollita, our chile, and I'm going to serve it with the guacamole, and of course our salsas. So I have salsa verde and salsa roja, and I'm going to be serving them with flour tortilla. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. I love carne asada, my kids love carne asada, my parents love carne asada, my tios love carne asada. I think we all love carne asada. And of course, the best carne asada has to have a good marinade. So I hope you give this one a try and enjoy it just as much as we do. I love it to marinate overnight. I promise you, it's worth every second because the meat is just becomes so tender, so flavorful, and it's just honestly the best. Unbeatable, that's for sure. So I am so ready. Let me show you the meat. Look at that, super tender, and the best part, so flavorful. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Even Raji loves carne asada. It's the best, honestly. And you know, the best thing about carne asada, like I said, you can make it in tacos, burritos, for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or whatever. It's so good. So good. And the cut of meat honestly matters. You know, it does matter. A ranchera, flat meat, thin sliced flat meat, it's the best. The nopal. I love the cebolla. This is my favorite apple. Now we can go sit down and enjoy it. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make the super easy and alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make the best carne asada. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Hey guys, I also want to let you know that if you enjoy recipes like this one, you're going to be able to find more on my cookbook. Make sure that you pre-order in the link in the description box.